Hi, I'm Jo, design specialist here at Brilliant SA. I'm really excited to show you our latest renovation project happening here in Hawthorndene. We're doing a kitchen, a laundry, a butler's pantry, flooring and painting. So come inside, let's have a look. So we're week 3 into this project. Our demo has pretty much happened. We have pulled up a lot of slate flooring through the space, including the hallway. This was the existing kitchen, but it was really enclosed. So we had brick wall here with archways, another brick wall here, and another brick wall here. So we've pulled this all down to create a nice open plan feeling. The brief from the client was that they really wanted to have a butler's kitchen. Given the size of the existing laundry, we're pretty much able to reduce that down in size and be able to give a decent amount to a butler's pantry where they'll have an extra sink, all their small appliances will go in, it will be their main pantry storage. That's going to run just along here and then they'll have a walkway that flows out into their main kitchen. The island's going to go here and then we're going to have an L-shaped kitchen running along this window. The space I'm in now was the really large laundry. As you can see, it was huge. We've taken away some of that space to allow for the walk-in pantry. So we are building a new stud wall here, and given we've taken down a lot of brickwork and a lot of brick walls, we had to get it engineered. So we're actually going to put some bracing into the stud wall, which will just help absorb the flex of any movement that may happen in the walls. This design in the laundry is going to focus on a few things. There will be storage for their cat and their kitty litter, and also our client's got lots of long lovely dresses that she likes to steam. So we've actually created a space specifically for her to hang her long dresses and get her steamer out and be able to steam them with ease. The final result in this kitchen will be a really contemporary looking space. We're going to have timber, warm white tones and a beautiful porcelain bench top. So we're really excited to see this job progress. It's going to create a wonderful new space for our clients, so we'll keep you posted on progress.